needs to be mentioned and celebrated in this type of occasion for record purposes. I want to first recognize and thank the Almighty God who has made this occasion possible, the omniscient God that brought all of you, my esteemed and august guest here. I pray that he should watch over all of us and our households. Besides, I want to recognize the Oba of Lagos because here we are doing the event. His Royal Majesty Oba Ridwan Akiolu. Then I want to also recognize my Kabiyesi, Oba Dr. Kehinde Badewale Olugbele MFR. He's supposed to be here because he is taking an award or honor at Ijebu-Ode. The reason why you don't see him here, the Olu of Ilaro and paramount ruler of Yoruba land, and Oba Daniel Abayomi Salako, the Aboro of Iboro land, also in Yoruba land. The men of God, sheikhs, alphas, here present, distinguished guests, men of the pen profession, ladies and gentlemen. Today marks another happiest day in my life for the opportunity given to me by the Almighty God to celebrate a milestone in my life. 10th year anniversary of the establishment of my baby, Star Trend International Magazine. As we all are aware that to establish any business in this country is a Herculean task. Hence, the journey of Star Trend International Magazine is no doubt full of ups and downs. My initial idea of the establishment of the paper was to promote my roots, Ilaro Yewa, headquarters of Ogun West. But after some editions, reactions from our esteemed readers across the country and abroad was that we should let the contents of the magazine spread across the country, even overseas. In consideration of this valuable piece of advice, we began to include news from all over the country and overseas in our subsequent editions to date. We also created an online publication, www.startrendinternational.com, with a view to following the trend in the media and also to keep our readers abreast of news as it breaks through their mobile phones. To have survived till date is by the special grace of God and the unflinching support we are getting from our partners and lovers like the financial institutions, captains of corporate companies and institutions, individuals, and of course, my wife and children. Honestly, I'm highly indebted to you all for the moral and financial support you have accorded Star Trend International Magazine over the years. May the good Lord continue to bless, guide, and protect each and every one of you. I will not forget those who have made this occasion possible by their moral and financial support, and those who are yet to contribute. I appreciate you all. I would like to use this medium to call on the federal government to quickly see to the current unavoidably high increase in the prices of printing materials. As a result of the high cost of printing materials, many newspapers and magazines, even educational textbooks and others are no longer available. This has put pressure on the social media, which aside from its immediacy in news transmission, the news media coverage encourage fake news. I mean the new media, they call it new media, the online, the new media. It encourages fake news in our society. Reason being that the medium are forced every Dick, Tom, and Harry to become journalists. It has made journalism a prestigious and the only profession enshrined in the Nigerian Constitution and all commerce affair. This is sad. I want also to call on the third tier of government to please patronize journalists, especially community publishers, so that we can continue to inform, educate, and entertain the community as enshrined in the Nigerian Constitution. Lest I forget, I want to advise my colleagues also to let's start celebrating ourselves through our medium. Without being modest, I've promoted a lot of people when I call the shots as entertainment through society columnists who handle 7 pages every week back then when I was in Daily Sketch. I want to quickly come around in this place. I want to say one thing. Name any artist in this country, stars one that are making trends. They come are begging when I was entertainment editor in Sketch without taking any time from them. But today, majority of them doesn't know Abu Sata again. But that notwithstanding, I thank you people. You are another stars from today. Because anything you guys or ladies lay your hands to, right from this moment, it will be shine. Sun will continue to shine on anything you lay your hands upon. Thank you. These people, majority of them are now stars, but they don't know Abu Sata again. Some don't even pick my calls or reply my messages, but to God be the glory. People like you that honor my invitation are the motivating spirits that keeps me and my baby going. That is Star Trek International. God will never forsake you all. Let me use this medium to assure our esteemed readers of our continued desires to feed you with current and genuine news from our stable. I want to also congratulate the awardees for the honor bestowed on them, while we promise to continue to recognize, appreciate good deeds in the society as a way of encouraging others to follow the noble path of hard work, honesty, selfless service, and patriotism. Once again, I want to thank you all for sparing time to celebrate with me. God in his infinite mercy shall celebrate you all till eternity. Till next week when we come again with our yearly lecture and awards program, please always make somebody happy every day. God bless you all.
Miss US, I saw you last night. Miss UK, I saw you. Miss Nigeria, I saw you. That is Miss US, look me. Baba the Baba, was you there yesterday? Was you there? When Miss Nigeria heard was you there, she said, excuse me, it's so wrong. Was you there? It's so wrong like that. Now we both verse. What's the right English? Now she say, is were you there? You know, because is were you there is supposed to be correct. So I wanted to support Miss Nigeria. Now Oyibo can say, no, look at it, singular and plural. Just use the common sense. When I hear singular and plural, was you there one person, were you there? Now shut up. Now shut up. So now they're going to argue, is was you, is were you, is was you, is were you, is were you. I just shut up. Now it was Miss UK that settled the fight. Miss UK said, was you there is right. And were you there is also right. I can't confuse again. She said, it's just that was you there is American English. And were you there British English. They not agree. So your mouth going. And I said, oh, now don't they come out? Now they look me, Baba the Baba, what kind of English is that? I said, it's Nigeria English. Hello? Nigeria English. You know, if you check, people who have dogs, especially rich men that have dogs, those expensive dogs, they always feel as if they have made it. I got one neighbor, he go buy one bulldog. Me, I have bingo. I've been using bingo for the past 5 years. And I don't brag. I'm a very humble person. This man bought bulldog. He changed it upstairs. Now wrote on the gate, beware of dog. Me, we don't use dog for 5 years. So my dog is not, and the dog go upstairs, oh. Now female dog you get, male dog. Me, my own are female bingo. So I did not envy him. And now I went and met him. Say, sir, at least make his dog sleep in my dog. Make his dog sleep in my dog. Make my dog born. Even if it's bingo boo. You understand? Because my dog is bingo. His one is bulldog. Even if it's bingo boo. You understand? You understand? Bingo. You understand? The man said, sorry, I can't just cross them. I have to pay. I said, sir, now your dog be man, oh. Now my own be woman, oh. He said, I go pay. Is that how they do it? I go pay for a man to sleep with woman. I said, sir, for real life, if man carry woman, who they pay? Who they pay? He said, this is dog. I don't say, sir, will I pay? He said, I go pay 20,000 for your dog to sleep with my dog. I said, what about if your dog now have low sperm count? You not going to give him belly? He said, Sarah money. I said, sir, I'm a born-again Christian. I can't pay. He said, what do you mean? I said, I'm a Christian. I cannot pay for fornication. I can't pay for fornication. It's a sin. Now, if you live in a compound where there's an old woman that loves you, the woman would always want to speak her language. DJ, what do they do your sound? The woman would always want to speak her language to you. You know, my landlady is a Yoruba woman. The woman like me. I'm an Igbo. So anytime she sees me, she wants to greet me in Yoruba, but I don't understand Yoruba. So I can't avoid the woman. So one day I came back from show very late in the night. I looked for her trouble. I did not know. We have well behind my window. So she sent her grandchildren to fetch water. As they were fetching water, they were making noise. I told them to keep quiet because the noise was disturbing me in my room. They did not hear word. And I chased them away. Then I went to report it to the woman. Then the woman called me. For Yoruba now. Baba the Baba, kini mo ṣe fún ẹ? Mo send ọmọ mi kọ́ pursue them for Yoruba language o. Now how do I explain what happened in Yoruba? Because if I don't speak Yoruba, I will be guilty. Now say, mommy, kò ṣe nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ o. So mo come back late lánàá. So ìgbà tí mo come back, mo fẹ́ kí n sùn. Ìgbà tí mo fẹ́ kí n sùn, àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ dẹ̀kọ́ pọ̀ mi. Ìgbà tí wọ́n pọ̀ mi dẹ̀kọ́ ń dè sọ̀rọ̀. The sọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ ó disturb mi ní múnà. Mo wá sọ fún wọn ẹgbẹ́nu ẹ̀sọ́ ha ju. Mo wá wẹ̀rí ìwé náà ṣùgbọ́n ha there whether she understand or not I don't explain as they happen. Now if you check people who live in face me and face you they eat good food. Face me and face you they eat better food than those that live in the flat. If you go greet somebody for face me and face you now. You must hear, they always fry. Face me and face people, they fry you. Just go greet somebody now. You're going to hear, everywhere, You know why? Because their kitchen, they for passage. So you must prove to your neighbor that you serve a living God. Praise the Lord. You know, but those people who live in the flat, we also fry, but we don't owe anybody any explanation. In the flat. You go just see somebody window smoke. You go shout, Mama, what are you burning? No, the food is burning. Now onions, so onions, they don't cook anything. They go burn them, throw them, carry toothpick. They don't chop anything. But there are people who have lived. There are people flats. There are people who live in the flats now. They have lived in face me and face you before, so you cannot deceive them. By the sound of your shananana, they know what you are frying. Those people that have lived in face me and face you before. Any sound, they know what if you do shanana, panla. You can't deceive them. Shanana, crayfish. Shanana, now onions with this one. You don't feel deceived there. That's why they live for face me and face you because they fry fire. Now, if you live in a flat and you want to deceive your neighbors. You want them to think you have money. That you are frying something good. Hello? Fry water. Hello? Have you fried water before? Now this is how to fry water. Carry your oil. Put for fire. Are you listening to me? They're not oil. Put on fire. Let me make it hot. As it hot, carry red oil. If you carry that oil, you go boom, smoke will come full everywhere. Even you when they fry, you don't go see road again. You go to this, you go to do like this. Now, leave and make it hot. Now carry salt. Put salt. If you do, now those people are trying to understand what you are frying. They confused. Leave that salt, leave them. After a while, carry onions. Not onions, they make noise. As you put onions, you do share. You wonder, what is this woman frying? No, this is leave the onions, make it burn. What did I say? Leave her, make it burn. Now, as the owner of the hot where carry water, carry your water. What did I say? Carry the water. No near them, you go explode. Hello, you go explode. You go burn you. Carry on. Now, if you carry the water, you go push, run. Now they go they gossip you. First, second, top, push. What could she be frying? Now they gossip you. Somebody go say it's talking. Did you hear that? It's talking. Somebody will say, no, I've been frying for 40 years. It's not talking. This thing is bigger than talking. Did you hear that? Push. We say, what could she be frying? Say she's frying full goat. Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Bob.
Excellencies here. I'm sorry I'm running a little bit late. I had so many events today. I told my Pata, thank you so much for having me. And for the magazine, I'm very happy to see it. And that's my face on it. So I need to go into launching of it. Okay, I launched with 50,000 naira.
God bless you. And then Lord.
Thank you very much.
Microphone. In Nigeria, we should let square pegs be in square holes. The business of the matter of creativity, skill can be upgraded by going to school. But the foundation is that gift, which is innate. I don't pretend. I don't want to be where they will say, Papa, you don't joke. Here is the microphone. Do your God-given job. Thank you all.
No, please, don't go. What I have said behind him, I'd like us to make this a pin drop silence kind of attention giving. Because if I drop the pin, let it just sound. It means give us your attention. This man here, we know a label underneath, respects journalists and broadcasters a lot. He has devoted all his life to journalism, to broadcasting. And no matter where he's invited, he goes. And in fact, I have made him a kind of a reporter at large. I told him I was somewhere in VI and then I'll be on my way, and I asked him to please keep me posted. He should fill him in, fill me in. According to how the program is going, he's kept me filled, and I'm happy that I did make it. But I really must thank you very much for this, for your contribution to broadcasting and journalism. We're a giant. You hit it call that. But that's what you asked. And we really are tapping from your inexhaustible wealth of experiences. Thank you very much. Before you go, he is actually paying some visits to some people tomorrow. He just intimated me with this, and I said, kidney peace confusion, so before I could finish the sentence, he said, as your majesty directs. So tomorrow he will be against the Peaceful TV. He would see all the things we've been doing. Just one building, not as big as this, but for God's sake, even if we have to say so, I'm sure you know it, but try. Congratulations. 10 years, start trend. You and I know how difficult it is to be in a profession, in a business for 10 years. For having able to navigate this for 10 years, I think deserve more than a big hand of applause, support. Try and monetize your hands of applause for that. I don't know if you understand it. Monetize it, which means support, which means contribute to, which means donate. That's our local part anyway. And I will do mine. I've done quite a few in the last 3 weeks. I was in Ijebuode yesterday. I was in Iperuremo yesterday. I was in Ikorodu yesterday. I was also in Abeokuta for 4 years. A friend of mine, I just posted this to him, said, you're a giant. I said, if I'm not in this business, why might be looking this way? Just 68 ago. And I think I must thank God for that. So, I don't know what has happened before I came, because I know that everybody here,
Dangote has spoken. King Wadada just spoke when he came. He's now going to Baba Stone. And Jayabuti, the daughter, has spoken. We are waiting for Baba Magbe. Baba Joseph Friday. You will hear more. CD Baba Magbe Gombodola.
And I must say, he helps to promote people like this. On his page, we were all together 24 hours.
No, particular. Our opinion. I said, I am sorry for those who don't understand Yoruba. I'm sorry. Maybe we do be.
You mean with all these beauties, you want to take something from her? The beauty isn't enough. She has radiated the whole place with a lot of beauty. And to the best of them, nobody really have
1,000. I say thank you, man.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I actually like Haji Abu Sata. He's a very good man. Apart from the fact that he's a publicist, he's a good humanitarian. I've featured in most of his magazines several times. And I love Star Trek International magazine so much. With this, I will have to support him with an undisclosed amount, please. So Alaji,
Thank you.
Abu Satan, don't worry, I'm going to support you.
This began to be. This is a very good day and I'm a happy man today. I've been hearing of Star Trek 10 years past, but I'm happy to come in direct contact with members of the day. Star Trek, your 10th anniversary, I'm going to give you only 10,000 naira. That is what I have.
Thank you.
But I am indeed very happy coming across men who are men always of the day, the media people. They are never men of yesterday. And where you come in contact with them, you will not argue with me. They are men always of the time. Thank you. Thank you.
You say almost 90.
Baba Joseph Friday.
Elisa. No, in that case, why shouldn't everybody be doing entertainment, media entertainment? And you are over 70 and looking the way you're looking. So you better change.
Inú mi dùn láti débi lẹ́yìn nítorí àwọn àgbààgbà tí mo ti mọ̀ ti pẹ́ tí wọ́n pè mí láti bàbá tí mo lè débi ọwọ́ wa máa rò Alhaji Sata Ahmed ìwé tó lè ràn lọ ẹ̀rí rẹ̀ mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ Alábí àti Ọlátìlọ ẹ̀kọ́ ọjọ́ mẹ́ta má kàn sọ wípé tí bá dìbò tí wọ́n wá bá mi so wọ́n ti bá ní màá sílẹ̀.
His new CD is.
But because of my shifting seat, that is why I recognize my colleagues. I'm very sorry to say that, sir. But I have already said that they all protocol ruling observed, sir. That's what I first said before congratulating my colleagues. Thank you very much, sir. My name is Chief Akeem Okebomi, the newly elected, let me just say shifted, the newly member of the chief, the Paramount's house, my colleagues are Daddy. Tẹ́lẹ̀ wà lórí ìdúró ní ìjẹ́gbọ́dọ̀ rí físà.
Now, go start trend, go excellence. It's happening of excellence. Did he choose this? Alaji Ibrahim. Dende. Okay, God bless you. In recognition of your immense contributions to the socio-economic development of Nigeria and youth empowerment as an exceptional philanthropist of the year 2021, Sunday 28th of November 2021, I present the word Hamad. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you, the audience. That's the word. Àbàbà ló ṣe àdúrà tàbí bẹ̀rẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ kó bí àwọn ìbàjẹ́ Mùsùlùmí, ìbàjẹ́ Kírísítẹ́nì, tó bá gbé bí àwọn bàbá ṣe ṣàdúrà ni, àwọn náà máa ṣe. Àwọn audience ò ní sọ pé ó ti tó àdúrà yẹn ó yá pé 3 minutes. Akin ìmọ̀ náà ò ní bàjẹ́. Wọ́n ní ká gbé fún àwọn bàbá. Imam Sheikh Tajudeen Mustapha Adéhùn tí ẹ wá ṣojú fún ní agbára Ọlọ́run ẹ̀ẹ́dìrí láyọ̀ ẹ̀ẹ́bà mọ́nà láyọ̀ gbogbo wa náà àádìrí láyọ̀ àbàlẹ̀ láyọ̀ ní orúkọ ilé ìtẹ̀wé ìgbóhùnsáfẹ́fẹ́ tí wọ́n mú aráàlú Star Trend International Gold Award of Excellence ẹjọba tó fún bàbá ní ẹṣẹ́
lórúkọ bàbá ìmáàmù wa ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn ìmáàmù àwọn kì í gba sálárì ní mọ́ṣáláṣí àwọn ìmáàmù sàárà ni wọ́n máa ń jẹ láyé àtijọ́ ṣùgbọ́n nísìnyí kò jẹ wá sí sàárà wọn ọ̀dọ̀ Olúwa ni wọ́n jẹ bàbá ní kí n sọ fún alájà sàtà pé àwọn àti 25,000 wọ́n ṣe fún wa lọ́sùn àgbàdo lọ́wọ́.
Ina da fata Hausa na cikin taron na ji cewa kafin wanda zo mun ce ma Allah wani ke kafa mana haji sani Allah ubangiji da jikarsa. Ladies and gentlemen, I heard that before my arrival courtesies have been paid in prayers to our very good friend and brother Alhaji Sani Dangote, whom we lost, but I know he is resting in the bosom of Allah. And we know that Alhaji Dangote is somebody who is committed to the growth of human development and infrastructural development. You know the latest now, the refinery, the biggest, not just in Africa, but in some parts of the world, that he said by himself will turn in 700,000 workforce in Nigeria. May God bless that man. All we have for him is prayer. You agree with me? Yes. Please pray for him, you Christians. Pray for him, you Muslims. Now, Star Trend Gold Award of Excellence, Dangote Cement PLC, in recognition of the company's contribution to the socio-economic development of Nigeria and youth empowerment. Africa's outstanding cement manufactured of the year 2021. This day is Sunday, November 28th, 2021. I'd like to congratulate you. And look up